Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are dealing with the website navigation controls. In this video, we will extend our master page example, which we did in previous sub-series. So here, if you see, we already created a sub-series for generating the master pages. Then we applied some theme and skins. In this sub-series, we are going to extend this same sample application to explore the navigation. Alright, now let's go to the demo and add 2 more pages so that we can create a nice hierarchy of pages. And this will help in learning the site navigation controls in the next coming videos. Now let's go to the demo. So here we opened our previous example and we will add new web pages. Alright, now we will add 2 new web pages. Here I'm choosing add new item, web form with the master page, and we will name this as psychology. And now it is asking to choose which master page we want to use. We already created the layout page dot master, right? So I'm picking that as a master page and adding the web form. So as already told in the prerequisite, you have to watch master page sub-series as well as skin and theme sub-series to continue with this. Or if you know how to use master page, you can create the master page, or if you want to directly go with the site navigation, you can even go ahead with the pages with links. But to learn the navigation control, it will be good to have a master page and have side menu, all the stuff that will show you the real usage of the navigation controls. Alright, now let's add this psychology page. And we will move to the design view, right? And we will place a SQL data source and we will configure this. And here we are picking the pubs database. So this is the query we are using, select star from titles where type equal to psychology. So here the page content is not important. Here our concentration is on using the navigation controls. We will just create these pages quickly. Next, we will place a grid view control just to display that data. Auto format, let me choose classic one. Apply, okay, and we will choose the data source just now which we created. So the page is ready. This is the psychology page, right? Now we will create one more page. So here we are creating a traditional cooking TRAD cook page, and we will choose master page. Then we will move to design, and as usual we place a SQL data source, configure it, use the previously created connection string, choose next, specify SQL statement, and in the next window we will specify the statement. Next, here we choose okay. So we just created 2 pages. So that's all here. Now in the next video we will build a relationship between these pages and proceed with the navigation controls. For now, let's just test these 2 pages. Okay. Okay, things are working fine, and these are all the static content, right? We will remove these menu and all those stuff and use the navigation controls. That's all here in this video. We just prepared the example so that we can learn the navigation controls from next video onwards. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.